This is Nha Trang, Vietnam. Nha Trang, Vietnam is a southern city that is very underrated by most tourists. As an American, most Americans kind of know about Hanoi and Ho Chi Minh City and tend to ignore the rest of the country, and it's a big mistake because Vietnam has a lot of physical beauty and a lot to offer potential travelers. So in this video, I'm going to be celebrating Tet. I'll be showing you a middle-class house, the physical beauty of Nha Trang, beaches, the Ponagar Temple, a lot of cool things. So make sure to check the links in the description, consider subscribing, hit that like button because it does help videos. So let's get to the video right now. Good morning, everybody. It is New Year's Day for the Tet celebration. The plan is to take a bike and go to Nha Trang City, which is about 40 minutes away. And so what Vietnamese do on to this day is basically just spend time with family, and they exchange gifts as well as that red envelope thing that you often see. So this is the house I'm staying in. Basically very traditional, just a traditional Vietnamese house. What they're all like here. And so the main aspect of, one of the main aspects at least, is having these flowers. So yellow is for Saigon and red is for Hanoi. So in Hanoi you'll see more red flowers here. More in the south you'll see yellow flowers. Then another interesting thing too is that it's normal to just buy a little tree like this, a kumquat tree or apricot tree. This one's actually kumquats, yeah. And then you just decorate it with the red envelopes. And it's sort of like a Christmas tree, you know? Like, they sell these literally on the side of the road. You just buy them and then they deliver them to your house. So it's pretty cool. And then you can, sometimes, like, if you want, you can display the gifts right here. As needed, so you know, beer, wine, snacks as well, and other cool things like this too, which I really like. It's like we have different kind of snacks right there. So like cashew nuts. That's actually carrot right in the middle. Coconut, sweets, thing of tea, and that's pretty much it. And then it's kind of just a day off for everyone. Just relax and don't do anything. So we're gonna go drive to Nha Trang, and then after, let me set that straight. After Nha Trang, first we're gonna get coffee. I want to get coffee, and then go to Nha Trang City by bike, which will take about 40 minutes. And so let's just bring this up here. So like that's basically what you can kind of expect. Everyone, like the way it works is that if you're older, you give this out to younger people in your family. It's kind of like a Christmas card, I guess. That's basically the only other way that the main equivalents. You know, like you buy a Christmas card. Like if you're an uncle, you buy a Christmas card for your niece or nephew and put like $20 in. Same type of deal, except like if you're a father, you give that to your daughter. You give, you know, envelope with money in it, and that's basically it. And so yeah, so this is basically what a Vietnamese house is like. Just a middle class traditional house. Junie's father actually served in the military. He's in the Navy. Really interesting. So anyways, we're gonna get going. So we're here to get coffee. It's a very beautiful day today. It's about 88 degrees. It's Junie and her mom and dad. I really have no idea what to expect. This is actually a cafe. So. Alright guys, so the cafe actually sold out of coffee, so we're just gonna start heading out and go to Nha Trang, and it's incredibly beautiful here, so I'm just gonna show you some clips along the way as we're driving, not too much, but just a little bit so you get an idea of the physical beauty of Vietnam. So we're basically driving from the airport, the international airport near Nha Trang, all the way up to Nha Trang City, which is about a 30-minute ride by motorbike, and so that's what we're doing. So let's get going. So right here is the mountain that you previously saw off in the distance. This road actually runs through the mountain. And yeah, I just decided to stop because like, how can you not stop? Vietnam is crazy pretty and it's so underrated. It's beautiful. Someone's clothes right there. I got the waterproof case. Maybe we'll throw this bad boy in the water, see how it looks. But yeah, beautiful day today. Beautiful day for a ride. I really do need to get my cup of coffee though, so hopefully there's a place I can stop on the side of the road. Alright, so we just stopped at a resort because, well, resorts have restaurants and so they probably have cafes. And I can't get over how pretty it is here. Let's go. I'm going to show you right now. Let's take a look. Alright, so that's the ocean. Beautiful blue water. And that's the road that we've been driving on. They made this entire road. It's sort of like, kind of like in California. They made the entire road run along the beach. There's plenty of resorts being built here too for obvious reasons. So if you've never heard of Nha Trang, as I'm pronouncing it, that's a mispronunciation obviously, but yeah, that's why Nha Trang is really under fast development. Overall, I'm really just impressed with Vietnam in general. Like everything in Vietnam is just rapidly changing. And it's like, Thailand's got some great beaches, but this is amazing. And there's not that many people here, just really lovely. So, it looks like that's where the restaurant is over there, so we're probably just gonna head over there. Alright guys, so let's just take a quick look at the menu. So this place, the restaurant's called Mojitos Bar and Lounge. Right on the ocean. Or, yeah, literally ocean. I want to call it a river, but it's the ocean. Alright, so not too bad. 140, 180K for most stuff. Drinks are around the same price, 130, so a little bit more expensive than Saigon obviously, but still quite nice. Yeah, they got quite a lot of interesting things here. So, you know, it's a resort, so prices are what you kind of would expect. But this view is really nice. Alright, and here's a quick room tour of the hotel room that we got. The price of this room is 500,000 Vietnamese dong, breakfast included. This hotel is called the Apollo Hotel. It's down a little road, kind of hidden away, but it's literally like about 2 minutes from the beach. It's quite nice. And this is basically the bathroom. Yeah, 500,000 Vietnamese dong per night. Well worth the value. You know, it's not a fancy hotel or anything, but it's a kind of place where, hey, if you just want a place to stay for the night, you know, as you just explore the city, looks good to me. So. So this place is very popular with Russians, and most of the foreigners here are actually from Russia. So something you may not know, something I didn't know before coming here. Yeah, but you still need to be careful here. Alright everybody, so this is Ponagar Temple here in Nha Trang. It's now a pretty popular tourist site. It is Tet, so lots of people are here right now. Lots of Chinese here. So the temple is free to get in if you're Vietnamese, or it costs 20,000 Vietnamese dong if you're a foreigner at the time of recording this video. Oh, nice. Yep. Yeah, it's definitely Khmer style.
Đứng ở đây thôi này. Đây.
Alright, so overall this place is pretty impressive. 20,000 Vietnamese dong, well worth the money. So, not sure who built it. I mean, I'm gonna be adding text to these video clips as I learn and do a little bit more research about it. Apparently it's built by like the Kamcha people, as I'm told, and that's apparently like an ethnic minority group here. Or it was built by the Khmers from Cambodia when they had a larger empire years and years ago. If you've ever been to Angkor Wat, you'll understand how impressive and big that civilization was. So anyways, let's continue. Đấy. Alright, that is it for this video. That was Nha Trang, Vietnam. It's a very beautiful, underrated place that you should totally visit. So if you enjoyed the video, consider subscribing, hit that like button, and I'll see you in the next video. My name is David. Thank you very much for watching.